All right, just entered a pretty big trade right here. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute real quick. So we're at the 1 minute 200 EMA. We're just looking for this down here. The first level that we're going to take profit is right about here. This is the 200 EMA, way down there where I got my take profit. $2,000 is our first take profit area. Let's look at the current 15-minute candle. Our take profit should be right here. Actually, it should be at 06, so it should be right there. That touched the 23 EMA and flew up. You gotta be comfortable with seeing red if you want to make some money. Got to be comfortable with seeing red. Set our notifications up. So notify me for here, for this level, for 10. Notice how wide my stop loss is. My stop loss is at about $5,000. You gotta learn patience, you gotta learn how to be comfortable with drawdown, and then just protect yourself to a point that's important. Let's go ahead and set this to take profit right here first. When you start using large amounts of money, you stand to lose large amounts of money. You still need to use the exact same risk management that you use for the smaller amounts of money. So there we are at 1250 positive. So 1250 positive is the first area that we look to lock in. It's not holding yet, so we have to wait for it to hold. Now the drawdown met this right here, so that's a full rejection right there. Still gonna come down further. We're gonna come all the way down to about 9 in a second here. There's 1500. There's 1750. So we're going to lock in 1750. Whenever it gets down there. Well, if we can get that 1750 to hold, we're going to lock in the 1750. seeing volatility because it's just after 8:35. And all we're looking at is $1.75. So that's why, like, in reality, I'm not tripping. We're protecting $5, but we're looking at we're protecting $6, but we're looking at $1.50 for $1,700. You'll learn with time. Comes with experience. We tried to lock in the 1750, it didn't hold. So next goal is $2,000. We want to see it come all the way down to about 2,500. And based off my entry, we're firmly in the middle. I don't like being in the middle, but I am under just above the 200 EMA. Could have placed my trade higher, but I wanted to make sure that I got in. We're just looking for the 1750. That's the first level of rejection. $2,000. This is about $3,000 right here. Now, what we can always do, take profit quick and then reposition ourselves higher, but we're fine where we're at. It's all part of it. We got in off of the retest. We're going to come back and look for these wicks. That's what we always do. The body of a candle is going to have to close there at some point in time. Not just a wick. We wicked down. We went all the way back up. What time is it? 8:38? I'd say like 8:40, 8:45. Notice that every tick is $250. $750, $1,000, $2,000. $1,250. That was $1,250. You didn't give it to us. $1,000 again. $1,250 again. 5 for 1,500. You see how the body closed closer and closer to the wick. Here we go. One more tick and we got our money. The body always has to come down. It's the rule. One more tick. All right, now we're at 2,000. So now we protect the 2,000. 2,500. 2,200. 2,700. Can we get 3,000? $3,000. Can we get 3,200? Come on, give me 3,200. Don't sell yet. That's 3,200. That's the bottom of it. That's the floor right there for me, right? This is my take profit. Where we're at is the floor. Okay, we're going towards my take profit. Notice I'm chasing all the way to my take profit. I'm locking in profit all the way to my take profit. And that's how you make $3,000 right there. Notice where we got in. We got in 20 contracts right here at just above the 200 EMA. We let it draw down on us about $1,500. And then we made over $3,000. You have to get comfortable with being in the negative if you're going to make money. And as you see, we would have hit my take profit, but when it's moving, I'm always chasing my play. You know, I don't wait for it to pull back on me. But that was a great play. We're out of there. we're up, and we're gonna head on over to set up our next trade. Whenever you get these wicks like this, there are promises that we are going to come back down to that area. You get one, you get two, and then after we come back down there, you get the body of a candle closing. That's when you start to get the momentum carrying you down. It's always easier to go down than it is up. Remember that. You guys have a great day and happy hunting.